This is Edna, and welcome to MoneyLove.
Welcome, Edna.
So, what are we going to talk about today?
Okay, I have this thing where, true story, last month, I was so proud because technically the month was ending and I still had more than enough. Then, boom, major repair, unexpected. Why? I was doing so well.
Yes. Actually, there's a lot of people are like that. Parang, I think that's one of the biggest concerns of a lot of people because they're like, I work naman. And then I'm okay. I create wealth naman. But why can't I retain the wealth?
Yeah. Or just 1 month where I have more than enough, right?
Yeah.
Because I did so well watching what I was gonna spend on. I really stopped myself from buying things. I thought 2 or 3 times before buying something. I was so
Responsible,
behaved.
right?
I was so behaved. So of course in my head, it was like, oh, buti na lang I was behaved. But then again,
Why?
because we believe in attraction.
Yes.
So technically, why did I attract
Okay,
that?
there's a thought wherein if you do not have a good relationship with money, it'll keep leaving your space. If you are uncomfortable with having money and with, loving it and embracing it and enjoying it.
You hit the nerve because loving it. See,
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Let me love it.
Yes. And the thing is, your situation, it's not uncommon. There's a lot of people that have the same issues as you.
And the reason we call this money love was
Yeah.
precisely for
Precisely
that
that.
reason. How do I fall in love with it? Because it's not for not wanting.
Yes, you want money because you know that you need it. But the thing is, like, I need this, but I don't love it. I mean, the energy is different,
I
right?
get you.
So the thing is, loving money for us, a lot of people, is not good. It's evil. It's egotistic. It's a sin to love money. And it's very, very ingrained in us. So for us, it's like, oh, I welcome money. That's enough.
Can you give me exercises? How do I shift that perception or that belief? Obviously, it's
Yeah.
a belief.
Well-
Even when you said you need to love money, it's like, I
step
stopped
one.
thinking there for a while.
Okay, so step 1, find out what it is. What's your relationship with money? What does money mean to you? Like, kunyari, when you say, oh, I like money, and then when I say love, medyo, iffy. Okay, why? Go deeper. When I say love money, what's the first instinct?
Right? There's a reaction.
And
There's
then-
a heart reaction.
And then, for example, in your head, okay, I love money.
In my head, love money, love money, love money. In my heart, it's like,
So what does that mean to you?
to me, it's telling me on a personal level,
Yes.
hey, let's do something about this.
Yes. And what does loving money mean to you?
Okay, that's a really good question. See, I normally have an answer to everything,
Yes.
and I don't have an answer.
We don't
I just
have-
have a bodily reaction, but I
Yes.
don't have an answer.
So this is the tip, guys. If you have a bodily experience, stop. Pause. And then, what does it mean to me? You don't have to answer it right now. Maybe think about it, and then kung wala, ask it again tomorrow until you find what does loving money mean. Is it a sin to love money? Kasi parang, no,
I
but
don't think it.
no, but the thing is, that's your
thinking
head
and
talking.
feeling.
That's your head talking. So a lot of people, sige, while she's, making muni.
Pondering.
So a lot of people actually have issues loving money because they feel that loving money is a sin. Because if I love money, how can I love God? Parang I've heard that kasi, parang di ba, you can only love God.
You know what it is? If I love money, it has something to do with, don't get me, I love money. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm saying it might change my personality. It might change who I am.
But honestly, if you love money, you'll actually be kinder to yourself with money. For me, in general, when, kunyari, I have anger management issues, but once I love that part of me, it stopped being so aggressive. It actually comes out only when I need it to come out. So when you love money, your fear is it might change me. But if I love that part of me, then the change might be for good and not like imbalanced ego.
so that I can still be me
Yes.
in whatever way I choose to evolve, love money.
Yeah, there's room for so much love. And just because you love money doesn't mean you love anything else less.
So folks, I love money. I love money. I love money.
No,
I
but
love
bring it in, ha? Bring it in. It's just not here. It's also here, ha?
Yeah, you know what they say, the longest journey is from here to here. She wanted so bad to hear. This one's rejecting it.
Yes, because of the unconscious beliefs about money.
Yes.
So you have to really look inside. What is the real meaning
Yeah.
of
And
money?
it's probably
and yours?
not even what I just shared with you.
And not even
that's
yours.
just the tip of the iceberg.
And it's probably not yours. It could be your parents, grandparents,
Yeah,
community,
our society, our
But be honest.
circumstance,
Yes.
experience.
So be
right?
honest with yourself.
Or if I have plenty of money, it will disappear. That's it. What does that have to do with love? That love disappears. Holy kamote.
Well, that's that's a belief that you have.
I love you so much right now. Wait, that's huge. And this is real. This is something that love will disappear. And that my association with love is that it always disappears. Okay. Thank you. As usual. Now it's in front of I don't know how many people, but this is how we roll, folks.
Yeah, so let's process it now.
Okay. Off camera.
Off camera.
Thank you, folks. This is Money Love. Remember, I love money.
And I hope this helps.
Help me.